So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your scale is on the recommended option, and make sure that your display resolution is also correct for your monitor. And make sure that your display orientation is also correct. See if that works. For the next method, there's going to be 3 links down below in the description for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an Nvidia graphics card, so I got the Nvidia app. And now once you're on our software, you want to go to the driver tab and then click on check for updates. If your graphics card has any driver updates, then you want to download them. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date. If you have the Nvidia graphics card, then you want to go to the Nvidia control panel. You can install it from the Microsoft Store. Now once you're on the Nvidia control panel, on the left hand side, you want to select adjust desktop size and position. Make sure that you have full screen selected. So you want to click on full screen and then click on apply, see if that works for you. For the last method, just try doing a simple restart of your computer. Hopefully this will fix your problem.